I'm going to show you the aerial view of this fantastic resort now.
चलिए दौड़िए भागिए और तुरंत फॉलो कीजिए।
हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, केम छो, कसाय, पब्लिक जोहार और कैसन बाड़ा रवा लोग। वेलकम टू जमशेदपुर, द स्टील सिटी ऑफ इंडिया, where urban energy meets serene landscapes. Today, we take you inside one of the region's most picturesque retreats, Riva Resort. Nestled in the lush outskirts, this resort offers a tranquil getaway with a mix of luxury, comfort, and nature. Join me as we explore every details of this stunning property. From the moment you arrive, Riva Resort impresses with its well-maintained surrounding and courteous staff. The reception area is sleek and tastefully designed, combining modern architecture with touches of traditional decor. Riva Resort offers a variety of stay options catering to both business and leisure travelers, from cozy standard rooms to expensive luxury suites and private villas. Each accommodation is thoughtfully appointed. All rooms feature plush bedding, smart TVs, air conditioning, TV, coffee maker, and modern bathrooms. Some suites also include private balconies, pool view, and lounge areas ideal for longer stay. What truly elevates the Riva experience are the amenities. The outdoor swimming pool is perfect for relaxing swim under the open sky. The spa offers rejuvenating treatments, and the gym is fully equipped for fitness enthusiasts. Whether you are planning a family holiday, a corporate retreat, or a destination wedding, Riva's sprawling lawn, banquet spaces, and conference facility make it a versatile venue. Riva's in-house restaurant serves a delightful spread of Indian, Chinese, and continental cuisines. The chefs focus on usually locally sourced ingredients, blending traditional flavors with modern presentation. From piping hot tandoori platters to local tribal delicacies and continental breakfast, every meal here is satisfying experience. Don't miss their outdoor dining setup in the evenings, a truly romantic setting. Riva Resort's ambience is one of calm sophistication. The greenery, the subtle architecture, and the sound of nature creates a deeply relaxing atmosphere. It's easy to forget you are just a short drive away from the bustling city. The staff here deserves a special mention. They are incredibly polite, well trained, and also eager to help. From check in to room service to restaurant staff, the hospitality is seamless and warm. Facility wise, everything is cleaned, well maintained, and modern. Whether it's the room, common area, or event space, the attention to detail is visible. If you are a nature lover, you'll appreciate the resort surroundings. Early mornings are magical with birdsong and misty view, while evenings are calm and starry. The property encourages you to slow down and enjoy the little moments. Riva Resort in Jamshedpur is more than just a place to stay, it's an experience. Whether you are here for a weekend break, a wedding, or a business meeting, this resort offers unmatched ambience, excellent service, and the soothing embrace of nature. Thank you for joining me on this tour. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, travel well and stay inspired. The video never ends here. I'm going to show you the aerial view of this fantastic resort now. And yes, have no fear when Gappu's here. Bye-bye.